Are we on? Are we live?
Yep.
Okay, so I've always wanted to do this to something I've hated, like a piece of equipment, not people. Well, some people, but this is our Samsung dishwasher that I've complained about for years. And this is my hammer. And the person that's taking this video for me is one of the Miele guys that just installed our new Miele dishwasher. And they're taking this dishwasher away to be recycled. It's not going to anybody. It's just going to go to the junkyard or whatever, right? So here, this is my, what I always want to do. There, Samsung. Oh, there's the controls on top. Oh my God, now it's practically bulletproof. That didn't even put a stupid dent in the thing. I'm killing my old dishwasher. I hate it. There, okay.